there it goes.
So I just had Alex on the phone. He went to the depot with his own transportation to pick up the dinghy, but it's in a crate that's 400 kilos. And I think he miscalculated it a bit. He can't bring it. So they're going to take it out of the crate. Thank you so much. It's for him.
So they already took the controls and the old engine off. So you had to bring the whole 400 kilograms.
Let me take the lid off and take the boat out or anything like that, so I had to go to the grandparents and grab the trailer. But yes guys, it's not pretty, but we got it here.
Oh, it's very pretty.
Yeah. Thank you, Alex.
No worries, anytime.
Oh, that's great.
So you can see the improvements now from the old one to the new one.
So this is not good. What do you think of it? Are you happy?
Looks really nice. They seem to have improved all the points where there was room for improvement.
So we're very curious how it operates. These are new Outremer owners. They're going to get their boat next year.
Yes, yeah. September next year, so looking forward to it. So, and it's been a great week here visiting you guys and learning from your experience. So thank you very much for that.
We love to have you here.
And we're looking forward to a sail tomorrow.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's going to be fun. Okay, there it goes. So even the new Outremer owners are helping to get the dinghy in.
It's our new safety captain, Jenny. She was sailing the boat yesterday.
Yeah.
So you'll do it again tomorrow, I guess.
Let's see a proper AST. Looks beautiful.
Mark, it's good that she is here.
Oh, look at schip parkeren. Famous last words. Hey, it's a good dinghy, huh?